in today's video, I will be sharing with you guys a full work week in my life as a local company truck driver. I only work 4 days a week because I have a 4-year-old at home, so I'm blessed and lucky enough that my job gives me a part-time schedule. So in this video, I will be sharing with you guys a full work week for me. We're starting off with my Monday. It's day 1 out of 4, and our first run for the week, I have a shuttle to Dayton. A shuttle is basically just, instead of me going to another grocery store, I'm going to be going to another warehouse down in Dayton, New Jersey. It's gonna take about like an hour and 45 minutes to get there. I'm gonna do some paperwork and hook up to our trailer and we'll get going. Alright guys, I'm all hooked up to the empty trailer that I'm taking back at the warehouse. On my way over here on 95, I saw some traffic. I don't know if it was like construction or an accident, but I'm not trying to find out, so we're gonna head back a different way. Let's go. back at the warehouse. Before we drop this empty trailer in the yard, I'm gonna run inside and grab our second run for the day. Okay, our next run, we're going to West Deptford, New Jersey. It's going to be about 76 miles out. Let's go drop this empty trailer and find our new one.
Huh?
That's the end of day one. I'm all parked up, gonna wrap up the paperwork and turn it in, and I will see you tomorrow.
Day 2.
Alright, it is now day 2. Our first run of the day is a 2-stop New Jersey. We're going to Wharton, New Jersey first, where we have 15 pallets for them to unload, and then we'll be doing our drop over at Marlton, New Jersey. Our first stop is about 92 miles out, so let's get going. Alright guys, as you can see, we've made it to our store, but there's another driver being unloaded. We're just gonna hold tight. Once he's done being unloaded, we can pull into that dock and get unloaded ourselves. There is another dock right next to him that I could pull into, but they told me to just hold on because they like to unload from a certain dock. So it shouldn't be too long. We're just gonna hang tight until we can back into our dock. Alright, it's time to go to our next store. We're going to ShopRite of Marlton, and it's going to be 110 miles from here. So let's get going.
A few moments later.
Alright, I just got my second run for the night. We're going to Hainesport, New Jersey, and it's going to be about 86 miles out. I'm just gonna do some paperwork real quick and then we can get going and look for our third trailer of the night.
You've arrived at your destination.
end of day 2. I have to come back here in 11 hours, so I'll see you in 11 hours.
Day 3.
Alright guys, it is 11 hours later and I am back at work. It is cold, it's raining, it's mucky, it's just gross out. I don't like it when the weather is like this, but can't do nothing about it. We still gotta go to work. So I got my run for the day. This is my first run. I'm going to Stanhope, New Jersey first. They get 15 pallets, and then I'm going to Franklin, New Jersey after. Whoa, it's too high. Alright guys, since it is raining, I'm going to leave you guys in here where it's dry. I'm going to go hook up and I'll be right back. I can't get this hair wet. It's not happening today. Not today, Satan. Not today. Alright, let's go.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Well, I got my arm workout in. The hair didn't get too wet, so truck turned off. That's great. We don't like idling anyways, so my bad for leaving it on. Alright, it's time to get going. Let's head out. Ugh. Oh, my arms. That landing gear, man. Whew. I don't like bothering the jockeys. If I can do it myself, I'll do it. Gotta stay in shape somehow. Alright. Let's get going. Our ETA, we're gonna be there in about an hour and 50 minutes. Hopefully this rain doesn't change that too much or slow us down, but let's go. being unloaded right now. I'm hiding in the bathroom. Just kidding, I'm not hiding. I had to wash my hands. I got my hands dirty. But yep, we're being unloaded 15 pallets and then we're gonna go to our next stop. All right, back in the truck. It's still drizzling and it's not going to stop anytime soon. So that sucks, but we're heading off to our next store. I have two options. I can take either the 18-mile route, which is 50 minutes away, or I can take a 28-mile route, which is also 50 minutes away. But here's the thing is, if you are familiar with this area, Route 517 is like whack. I don't want to take a whack route. Like, no, it's not happening. We are going to stick to like the more main road. So instead of taking 517, because I really don't like 517, we're going to take 206 to 15 and then 517. Like, that part of 517 is not bad, but that part is bad. So we're gonna avoid that. Anyways, it's time to go. Let's just get situated and we'll be on our way to stop 2, Franklin, New Jersey. Alright guys, I got a shuttle going to Elizabeth, New Jersey, but before we find our trailer, Daniel, say hi Danny. He's joining us for some lunch.
Hi.
He was awesome enough to bring me Burger King.
That's right.
He also has a shuttle, but he is going to Dayton.
Yes.
We got nuggets and we got a burger, and we're gonna share. Barbecue sauce, ketchup. I'm really hungry.
Oh, baby, then I'm just gonna have.
What's your guys' favorite sauce for your nuggets? I like sweet and sour. I like barbecue. Ketchup is obviously a must. I don't always go on break at work. It really depends. Sometimes I'm not hungry. But today I was hungry. Am I the only one who dips my cheeseburger in barbecue sauce? I do that. It's really good. Ketchup. I'm a child.
And we all. Some more than others.
I agree. I don't think we ever really grow up.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, you left me the pickles.
Yes, of course. Of course.
Mm.
Look at you.
Alright, lunchtime's over. Back to work.
Yes, ma'am. Ugh. Bye, everybody.
He's going to his truck. We're going our separate ways.
Yes.
Alright, let's go. Alright guys, I'm gonna go on ahead and drop this trailer. We're going to next head to the office to get a pass so we can get out of here. And then we're gonna have to go to the other side of the building to find an empty trailer or a trailer with trash to bring back to our warehouse. And then that'll be the end of day 3. I'll be back.
2 very boring minutes later.
It is way too cold for this. Like, it's not spring. This can't be spring. Alright, that's day 3 done. My work week is almost over. I will see you tomorrow for day 4.
Tomorrow.
It's our Friday! Our first run for the last day of my work week is West Milforden in West Milford, New Jersey. I like this store, but it is kind of in the middle of nowhere, which means the only way to get there is by taking non-main roads, and if you know me, I prefer main roads, but that's okay. People who live in the middle of nowhere still need to eat, so we gotta bring them their groceries. It's going to be about 100 miles out or so, so I'm ready to go look for my trailer. Let's get started.
Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind.
Okay guys, it is time to go inside the office and grab our last trip for the week. Let's see what we get. Danny. Okay guys, so, oh no. Oh, that just happened. Okay, so I just got my run. I'm going to Delaware, and I made Daniel go get me Burger King again. Say hi.
Hi.
He brought me food. So we're gonna go eat, and then we're gonna get going. We're going to Wilmington, Delaware.
I'm going to Williamstown.
And he's going to Williamstown, New Jersey. We should be done around the same time then. Alright, let's get in this truck. Eat some food.
From Burger King?
Mhm.
Oh, no. There you go. The eye? Is that eye?
It's okay.
Okay.
There's a fry in here.
No way. Crazy.
I love when I get fries and there's like an onion ring in there, or if you
Oh,
get
yeah.
onion rings and there's a fry in there.
I was like, how did you get in here?
I've always wanted to go to Delaware on a day off of mine and go on a shopping spree because they have no sales tax. Is that weird? Let's go find this trailer. It's the last trip of the night. Let's get this done so I can go home and enjoy my weekend. Hell yeah. Let's go. No way! Shoot! Okay. Alright. guys, that is the end of my work week. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know if you liked seeing a full week rather than a single day. I still plan on filming like a day in my life type thing, but I thought a full week would be cool to try out. So let me know if you liked it. Hope you have a good rest of your week. I can't wait to enjoy my weekend, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Bye!